Deconstruct.
That girl Jay.
DJ. Straight up. KO, check it. It's as simple as expressing your feelings inside. Not being concerned of the judgment that people try to hide behind. Life was all about others making you feel deprived. And sitting in your home only wanting to constantly cry. Just realize that the only thing they're telling is lies. Just trust me on this one, they're just waiting to die. Be the stronger person in the fight and fight your battles right. Cause when it comes down to winning, the stronger loser survives. And stop giving a fuck when the world stopped caring. This love is floating around like balloons with no air in them. Now try and look up into the sky and tell me what you see. The hate seems to be on the ground and keeps following me. The gravity isn't really fucking helping, but what am I supposed to do when I'm trapped in this devil's hell's plan? I guess I'm getting closer to realizing what really matters. Dope bros, smoke, shattered glass, and pretty flowers. If you care to watch them grow with me, one day you'll be listening to my speech for hours.
Yeah.
I got a blaze.
I got blaze. Can't stop all the thoughts that are running through my mind, captivated by the essence that is you. I like your steez, your style, kinda hoping that you'll be here a while. Call me crazy, what other people say doesn't faze me. I write what's true to my heart, what is near and dear. What's a girl to do when those words are all I wanna hear? But down deep I know it's just a matter of time before you might shut down the idea, but please don't ignore thoughts about you. I know you wouldn't dare speak a word of it to your crew, but when push comes to shove, I'm just saying I'm always down for you. When it comes to you, I picture a crown, cause you're my king, always making me wanna sing. In case you didn't get it the first time, I'm just saying I'm feeling you, I said I'm feeling you. Tell me how this is a crime. Shit.
Just fucking around. The judgment that people are It is right.
Happy day.